education in this COVID-19 pandemic. Do you still remember the days when everything was still in good place and things run smoothly? Have you reminisced those times that you are free to go out and to mingle with others without worrying your health and following protocols? Do you still remember you are having a hard time waking up early because you have 7 a.m. class to attend? Remember those times when you and your classmates able to have fun even there's a lot of things to do? Or do the memories flashbacks when you ate with your friends and classmates on those small stores on the street? It is just too good to bring back all of those, right? Yet unfortunately, an outbreak came, which is the coronavirus, which originated in China. The contagious widespread of coronavirus horrifies the people across the globe. This phenomenon made clear our plans and the usual things we do. Also, this outbreak highlights the experience of vulnerability and scarcity. Some turn hopeless and some peak of fear, seeing growing numbers of positive cases every day. Embracing this new normal is a great challenge, most especially to us students who effectively learn in the usual face-to-face classes. Now, as coronavirus hinders our education and learning, it is still effective to continue our education even in the comforts of our home. We can't deny the fact that this pandemic brought difficulties in our lives, especially to us students. There are many questions left unanswered and uncertain, yet essential things must go on and life must continue, so thus in education. As a student of this time, the new normal way of learning tested my patience and my mental thinking. It is very difficult to adjust knowing you have to attend and learn the lessons virtually. Not to mention the slow internet connection, environmental barriers that out of our control, and the tons of requirements to be submitted. Most of the time, I would just be on my lethargic moment where I felt really tired even I didn't make anything. My mind was clouded with academic stuffs and requirements left undone. Oftentimes, I would overthink if I can able to survive this year's education, or is there any learnings that would be inflected in my mind. As most students would say, we are just passing requirements instead of learning. Honestly, I have felt the struggle of that particular saying. Nowadays, students highly prioritize passing before or on time and even neglected the learnings of the lesson. I must say that this new normal way of learning is not everyone's cup of tea. We can't stop bursting our emotions and venting our runs whenever we can able to attend classes virtually, or even we can submit requirements on its deadline. It is painful knowing you have sacrificed your sleeping hours and even skipped meals just to finish all of the requirements piling up. This new normal way of education is really difficult. Students would end up saying academic freeze for a reason of we are not into this type of education. We are having a hard time adopting this new challenge, and the struggles of self-learning is very visible in the hardship of the students nowadays. Yet I have realized we are not only the one who is struggling. Even teachers do. They are trying their utmost best just to impart the knowledge and create a conducive learning even if it is through virtual. So for us to survive this education, let us help and compromise to one another. For I believe that this too shall pass. We missed and long the face-to-face classes before, but as of now, let us be patient enough so that the current issue, which is coronavirus, will be vanished sooner. And with that concept, we can able to conduct classes at school. Education at this present time may be hard for all of us, but still learning must continue. Even though we are just in our homes, but still we should always bear in our minds that coronavirus will hinder our learning and education. We can still learn effectively even we are just in the comforts of our home. As Alan Bloom said, education is the movement from darkness to light. Even though we are facing COVID-19 pandemic and learning is through online, let us keep the fire burning and let us chase our dreams despite of the difficulties of COVID-19 pandemic. Again, this is Erica Canaligo. Stay safe and stay healthy.